Are you planning a trip to Colombia and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Colombia in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Those links are in the description. All right, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Colombia is Airalo. It's a great option if you want cheap and flexible plans. For Colombia, plans start at 1 gig for $4.50, valid for 7 days. This is great if you just need maps and messages. There's also 2 gig for $8, valid for 15 days, and 3 gig for $11, valid for 30 days. For heavier data users, you can get 5 gig for $16, 10 gig for $28, or 20 gig for $42. All of these plans come with 30-day validity. The app is really easy to use. After you buy a plan, you get a QR code right away and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you can even add it through the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get a 10% discount. Now, if you've already tried Airalo and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I would recommend Maya Mobile. I've used it myself and it's awesome. If you care about speed and simplicity, Maya's plans are a solid choice. Plus, their prices are pretty good. You can get 3 gig for $12.59, 5 gig for $17.09, or 10 gig for $29.69, all lasting for 10 days. For those who need more data, they've got 20 gig for $51.29. And if you don't want to worry about running out of data, they even had unlimited data for $37.79, also valid for 10 days. Everything is 5G ready and activates right away. Maya has great coverage and their website is super easy to use. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Colombia into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Just choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best deal for light use or longer trips, Airalo is a great pick. The plans are simple, prices are lower, and the 30-day validity makes things easier. But if you need fast speeds for a short time or want unlimited data for under $40, Maya Mobile is the better choice. It gives you more value for your money. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Colombia in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.